you're considering the cottage life, you might be thinking about that dreaded list that's on the fridge, the honeydew list. Well, not here. Jeff?
This cottage has gone under extensive renovations. Let me start on the outside. All three structures, a metal roof, maintenance-free siding, new soffits and fascia, brand new deck, glass railings overlooking the lake, a cantilevered pine ceiling here, great when you want to get out of the rain. The honeydew list does not exist, as Jim said. It needs to be mentioned that these upgrades come at a cost of approximately $250,000. And with a view like this front door is going to be your favorite.
And that vaulted ridge beam ceiling extends right through to the great room. And why is it a great room? Well, look around, it's great. You have your kitchen, you have your living room, your TV, your wood-burning fireplace. It's all here, clad in that rustic cedar. Here's the primary wing. It's separate from the rest, with dual bathrooms. Step down into the additional bedroom wing. Here you have 2 more bedrooms for the kids or the guests. And if those guests start snoring too loudly, well, they'll be spending night number 2 out here.
More luxury accommodations at Conestogo Lake. Let me tell you 3 things the camera doesn't show. This cottage has been fully spray foamed for premium insulation, a brand new well, and a new septic system. This cottage comes complete with an oversized dock, a rail system with a winch, and as for the lifestyle here,
get used to it. Look at all the activity on this lake.
For more information on Lot 600 on Road 5A, visit ConestogoLake.com or just follow the big yellow chairs.
They're everywhere. We're the Reitzels and we sell cottages.